Okay, so in this video tutorial, just I'm going to set up first of all Bootstrap in client application. So here we have a application here, and you can see that is the client applications. Okay, now I want to stop this application first by using Control C, and this is okay. Now just after that, I want to install Bootstrap. So npm install Bootstrap. Okay, so here I'm going to install Bootstrap first in our application, and your two packages are audited and 156 package in 3 seconds. Okay, so Bootstrap is ready to done, and now just after that I want to install npm font awesomes for the fonts and as well as the icons. So you can use font awesome first, font awesome slash font awesome, that is font awesome dash free. Okay, and just click to enter, and npm I font awesome free. So add one package and audited 157 packages in 5 seconds. Okay, so also you can add cdn.js in your client application. So first of all, collapse all other applications rest of client application. So here we have a src directory. Under the src directory, close all. Under the src directory, where we have a man.tsx file where your app component is rendered. Now in app component.render, so you must to know that also here we have a man.tsx file, and here we have a index.svg file under the client app. Now you know that here we have a man.tsx file, index.css file, and index.tsx file. So all is there. Okay, also where we have a index.html file. Now here we have an index.html file, and I want to add cdn.js font awesome. So just open cdn.js and font awesome. So here we have a cdn.js font awesome. First of all, I want to check font awesome from the client app node modules. So it's first of all check font awesome and check the css version. So all.css version, and the css version is 6.6.0. so that I select 6.6.0 and just copy URL and copy link tag. Just copy link tag and paste under the index.cshtml. So open index.cshtml and paste is there. Okay, now your font awesome is added right now. Now just after that, open man.tsx file and add import your bootstraps. So just dot slash node modules, oops, double quotation is here, dot slash node modules slash, and that is bootstrap slash dist slash css slash bootstrap.css dot css. Okay, okay, also just add the bootstrap bundle. So just copy this line first, and just copy that line and paste it there, and just after that you can say bootstrap dist, and here we have a JS folder. So bootstrap slash dist, or you can say just I want to check it under the dist. Yeah, it's there, JS file, and here we have a bootstrap.bundle.js file, and also you can select bootstrap dot bundle. So you can say bootstrap dot bundle. Okay, but you know that bootstrap dot bundle is there. Okay, now the next one is to add font awesome. So import, so just copy and paste this line, node modules, and just after the node modules, here we have a font awesomes. So add the red font awesome and here we have a font of some free, and that is after that CSS, and just you can use all CSS. Okay, now ready to go, all.css, but I got an error message without any quotation. Okay, now everything is fine. Now I want to test it in the app.tsx file, and here we have a list and social events. So I want to use li with the class name. So class name is what? List group, that is list group, and li have a class name. Class name is list group item. That's fine. Now save this and you can check it on the browser. So here we have a browser and I want to check it now, but it's stop applications by me. Now that run is started again, npm run dav with the wait. So you can start it again. Okay, and your list is applicable here like this way. Okay, and also I want to add margin bottom one with the list item. So here we have AMD1. Save it and refresh it. Okay, so here we have each list have a margin. Now we all know that just I want to show first of all a navigation bar in the Bootstrap. So just I want to copy the navigation, Bootstrap navigation bar. So navbar to dot bootstrap, or inside the here you can just create a new components. So first of all I want to add a layout directory. So just click to src, create a new directory, that is layout. Under the layout we just create a new component. So the component name is so it's a new file, that is menu or the navigation. So nav.tsx file. Oops, it's not a tsx. uh, Rename it dot .tsx. Okay, just open it and you can use import react from react. Okay, now just after that you can use functional component. So export default function, and the component name is nav. Okay, or you can say that navbar or the menu. So I want to add menu here and return a function here with the fragment. Okay, and also we can take it, the name is rename it, that is menu. So menu.tsx is here, that is the component name is menu. And we all know that here I'm going to paste all the menu code. So just I want to add the navigation bar first. So here we have a navigation bar and another navigation bar is like this way. So this is also a navigation bar. Okay, just I want to choose this one. Okay, so here we have a color scheme is navbar dark bg primary, that is background primary, and navbar dark in the nav class. And also here we have a this way. So I just select this navigation bar. Okay, so I just select top one navigation bar like this navigation bar. So just copy that code and paste under the fragment. Okay, so I just replace it class with the class name. Okay, so everything is fine. Now here we have a menu component and these are the menu links. Okay, now I want to run this menus in our browser so that we can just use this component in the app.tsx file. So I want to use it here, that is menu component. Okay, so that is my menu component, and now you can see here we have a menu component. So you can see that here we have a menu, but I want to display it here. Okay, so just go inside it there and just use index.css, that is the global style sheet. So just remove all these things and save. Okay, so here we have. Now just after that I want to change the color. So index.s, so here we have a menu.tsx file, and I want to change the bg, that is bg primary, bg body territory, and just I want to change in the color in the Bootstrap 5.3. So here we have a color options, there we have a color options. So that is bg dark for the black color, and the bg primary class is nav, bg primary database theme is dark. So just choose this one, just copy that, and here we have a the paste that code. Okay, and also just change the navbar to expand. Okay, so that is code here, that is the real code, that is navbar expand also with the large. So just use also this class one with the bg primary. Now just after that you can see here we have a background color with the white color at this level. Okay, now just after that I want to design a box model here. Now just after that I want to design a dashboard. So that I want to open a layout directory. Under the layout directory we just also just I want to create a dashboard. So just create a new folder and add a dashboard. Under the dashboard just create a new file, that is dashboard.tsx file. Okay, so here we have the function name is dashboard.tsx. So just I want to rename it, and the name actually use in the caps, the first letter in the capital letter. So I want to design a dashboard where we have two columns. The first column actually represent the social event list, and other column actually gives the details of about the social events. Okay, so just use that is previous designed menu. So here we have a, just copy that, and I want to add in the dashboard. Okay, and that is here and that is there. Okay, now instead of menu you can use dashboard.tsx, and also just close this tag. Okay, now that is React from the React, well and good. Now just after that I want to add two column here. The first column is represent, that is the class name is container. So div class name is container. So I want to add a div container at the level of app.tsx. So here you can use the class name. So just I want to add a, inside the container, everything inside the container. So div class name is, container. Okay, and just you can just cut it from here and paste just after that. Okay, now you know that everything is designed well. Okay, now just after that in the dashboard.tsx we just add two columns. So div class name is row, that is the first row, and I want to add two column here. So div class name is, sorry, div class name is call 6, sorry, call 8, and the another column name is div class name is call 4. That is two column in the row. The first column represent the social event list, and another column gives the details. So social event details. Now save it, and I want to call it dashboard.tsx under the app.tsx file. So here we have a written directory, and just I want to call it here. So here I'm going to call it. So just remove this UL tag here. Okay, and that is actually written is there. Okay, so we all know that it's a one by one to return it here. So just I want to use, here is the UL tag, and that is the return is here, you know. So just remove this one from here, and I want to add a dashboard. So that is the dashboard. First I want to use it here. So you can display two things, that is the social event and social event details. Okay, so list of social event to display here, and the first one is social event list and social event details. So social event list is here. So I want to fetch the social event in app.tsx by using the axios here, and you know that the social event is there, that is the set state social events. Okay, or also you can just add it social event events, that is the social events here, and set social event, that is the key. So set social event. Now you can use set state social event instead of, you can use set social event with the response data. And what types of this social event array. Now I want to send this social event here under the dashboard first. So that is the social, sorry, that is the list. I want to send it under the dashboard social events. It's a type of, I want to send back to the social event is social events I want to send. Okay, so that social event is a name, and that name actually exists in the dashboard in the form of the props. So you can use interface, and that is props of, sorry, props of type, that is the name is social events. So just use it app.tsx, that is copy and paste there, of type social event type array. Okay, so that is the props. So props is never used, property is declared but is never used, so you can use it here. That is social event, social events of type props, that is the properties. So that is my social events, that is my social events, but it's never used. Declare is but is never used. And you all know that I want to declare it a list here. So also I want to create a social event list. So under the dashboard, so here we have a dashboard, and I want to create a new file, that is social event list.tsx file. So that I want to call it here. So dashboard, first of all, just import all these things. Sorry, you can use only this thing. So import react from, sorry, react. Okay, and here I'm going to design it, that is export default function, and the function name is social event list. Okay, and there is called return that function. Just save it, and that social event list is actually represent a list of the social events. So you can use interface, and here I'm going to add props, that is properties, that is social events. So just paste it there, under the dashboard, here we have the same thing. So just copy and paste there. Social event is a list, so just I want to use it here. Social events, type props. Okay, and I want to display the social event list here. Okay, in the form of the card. Okay, I want to represent all these social event list here. Okay, so what is the social event? Social event is a type of add import model from social events. Okay, so I want to design here. First of all, div class name is card, and the next one is div class name is card header, and also bg primary, that is the background primary, the card header, and inside it we can use p and text white. Okay, and also we can add text white. So the card header is represent actually social event name. So social event is a list. So I want to represent each card. So you can just use curly bracket here to represent the dynamic information. So cut it here and paste here. Okay, so you can use social events dot map function, and a map function also it's a method and represent a single social event. Okay, and that is it's a type of lambda function, and that is written a code. Okay, so that I want to represent all the card first. So there is a card. Okay, so just close it here. Now after that we can close it this one, and after that we can close the map function. So this is the map function here. I want to use social event. Okay, so that I want to use it here, that is social event dot that is title. I want to represent the title first. So that is the copy, the card header. Also I want to add the card body. So div class name is card body, and to the card body we just add something like a description first. So you can just add the paragraph tag and just add the social event, that is my social event dot description. Okay, so save it. Only I want to check it first. So here you can see that here we have a social event list is there. So started from the app.tsx file, and here I'm going to send it social event. It's a social event list. So okay, so just get it from the social event and initialize the state, that is social event. Okay, now just after that, that list is initialized under the dashboard. So dashboard is initialize the social event, it's a type of social event. Also social event list is called it from here, and that is my sorry that is my social event list, and here I'm going to add social events of type, and just I want to send it social events. Okay, that name is I want to send back to the here. Okay, so just copy this, and here we have a social events. Okay, now save all, and I want to check it here. So these are the list of social events here. So these are the social event, it's a card header, and this is the card body. So that is my card. Okay, and I want to display each card information here.